what does a home mean to me? It means somewhere, a place that I can be comfortable. I feel privileged and I feel at ease. I wasn't at the site. I mean, it was all more of an e-meet kind of an engagement, whereby it was completely over a G-Meet or Teams meetings, etc. But I think the engagement did not feel virtual at all. The engagement really felt as if I was at the site working very closely with the team. It was a great engagement. I think right from the start to the finish, I felt as if I was driving it. I felt completely engaged and involved in the designing of my home, which is most crucial, right? I mean, although, Dipti was the interior designer throughout the project, we did have multiple, site engineers like Junaid and Amit as well. Throughout the process that were working with me, it felt very close to me, and I felt that I was driving the engagement completely. What was also a very huge surprise for me at the end of the engagement was how the overall design turned out, right? I mean, there were bits and pieces that we were working on, but I think the overall package came out superb. So much so that I really felt that this is the best designed home that I've lived in all through my life. Which is the best aspect of this house? I think the kitchen is the best aspect of this house, although that sounds very cliche. But I think that the overall warm tones that we have used in the kitchen is, when it came together, it was a huge surprise for me. The kids' bedroom with its fun tone is also a very welcoming aspect. I mean, as a child, I've never had a room like that, but I felt very happy designing that the kids' bedroom for my kids, and that seems to be their hotspot whenever they come. They've been visiting the space throughout, the fag end of the project, and that seems to be their hotspot. So I think the kids' bedroom is my most favorite room, and of course the kitchen with the warm tones that we have used. Red is not a tone that we usually use in homes, but I think the combination that we've used with beige and all other colors has just come out tremendously well. I think these are my favorite spaces in the house. Very strongly, Srividate have always explained right from the start that their model is about keeping the client very close to how things are progressing. The design, right from the design phase, all through the work in progress phase, as well as the last phase.